Everyone, this is Kate with Scotland Marketing. Today I want to go over how to add a video to your KW site on a custom page or a landing page. Okay, so the first thing we want to do is log into our command platform and we want to navigate down to our website's applet. Now, once you are on your website's applet, you want to hit Manage Website and it should open this page here. From here, you want to go ahead and jump into expert mode. Okay, this type of customization to your site would need to be done in that expert mode. Okay, now the first one is a custom page. Okay, if you want to create a custom page, you could go ahead and click that Quick Start Custom Page option. And we'll give it a second to load here. This is where you can then name your page. You can add an internal name. So let's just do video test. We can add a subtitle if we want to. We do not have to. If we open the eye, we can see a preview of what that page will look like. So of course, name this whatever works with the page you're creating. Subtitle would appear under that video. So you'll see that here in a second. For your page heading, that is this section here that we're typing in. You can add a photo there. You can add a video there or an image. So you can add that as well if you'd like. You can also hide that section entirely if you want to remove all of that. Then if we want to go ahead and hit Add Module, you're going to see that there is a video option. Okay, if we go ahead and click on that and then we select the video, it's going to add that module to your page. Now, once you have that module, you still need to select a video. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and click here. And when we do that, you're going to see that we are brought in to add a video. Now, there's a couple of ways that you can do this. You can use a Vimeo URL. You can use a YouTube URL. You can also use a video file. Okay, so I'm going to use a video URL for this example today, and I'm going to go ahead and just grab one from our KW website. So I'm just going to grab that URL and come back in here, and we're going to hit New. And once I do that, I'm going to go ahead and paste that URL in that box, okay? Now I'm going to just name this YouTube. We just need an internal name. And once I do that, I can add title, I can add a description, I can change the thumbnail, but I'm going to go ahead and publish this, okay? Now, once I publish it, I'm just publishing the actual video. I still need to go back and add it to my page. So I'm going to go back. And now you'll see that I have that video here that I can then select and add to the actual custom page, okay? And there it goes. Now we have that. It has the title. I can come in and change that. I can add a description. I can hide the title or the description. Again, change that thumbnail. I could then add other modules if I want to add more text or more information below it. I can add additional modules, whatever I want on this page, okay? Now this is a custom page, so once I hit publish on this, it's automatically going to appear under that more drop down in about 30 minutes, okay? It does usually take about 30 minutes, but that is because it is a custom page. If you are instead creating a landing page, it's going to be a very similar process. We're going to go ahead and select that landing page option. But then when we come down here and we hit add module, it's exactly the same process. That video should hopefully already be available for us to pick from since we already added it. So same process. The only difference with a landing page is that a landing page is a standalone website, okay? So it is not going to be added to your KW site at all. So just decide which we would prefer, whether it's on your website or it is its own standalone website. And then once you decide that, you'll just go ahead and hit that publish button. Once you get everything on there, and then that page will be ready to go as well, okay? Hopefully this video is helpful. If you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to reach out to our team. Our email is support@scotlandmarketing.com, and we are here and happy to help. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and we will see you next time.